Hello student, myself Deepak Kumar and today topic is computer hardware for class 7. In this chapter we will study about what is computer, working stages of computer and different input devices and output devices. Let's see what is computer. Computer is an electronic device that accepts data, process it and produce the desired result in the form of information. It is electronic device. It means the device which is runs with the help of electricity. And this electronic device take a input and then process it, and after processing it produce a desired result in the form of information. Working stages of computer. There are three working stages of computer. First is called input, second is process and third is output. Firstly, computer take a raw data with the help of input device like keyboard, mouse, and after taking input it process it with the help of CPU, and after processing it produce the desired result as a output with the help of output device in the form of information. Clearly we can say that computer process the input data and convert it into meaningful information. Let's see what is input. Input means the raw data that we fed into computer is called input. Process. The number of tasks performed inside the CPU is called process. Output. The result after processing we receive is called output. Input device. The device which is used to take data into computer is called input device. Processing device. The device which is used to process the input data is called processing device. Output device. The device which is used to show or produce the result after processing is called output device. Let's Here are some input devices. First, keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It is also a standard input device which is used to enter data into computer. A keyboard has too many keys like alphabetical key, function key, numeric key, a special character key and others key. Approximate there are 105 keys are available on the keyboard. Keyboard is invented by Christopher Latham Souls. There are four layouts of keyboard: QWERTY keyboard, QWERZ keyboard, AZERTY keyboard, and Dvorak keyboard. Next, mouse. Mouse is also a handheld input device. It is also a standard input device. Shape of mouse is U. It has two or three buttons which is used to move the cursor on the computer screen. Was invented by Douglas Engelbart. Next, joystick. Joystick is also a handheld pointing device and it is used to play games on the computer. The main purpose of joystick is to play the games. It looks like similar to the gear of four wheeler vehicles. It moves in four different directions. Next, a scanner. A scanner is an input device. It is used to scan text, pictures, and other documents in digital form and then save it into digital form into our computer. There are two types of scanner. First is called handheld scanner and another is called flatbed scanner. Next input device is optical mark reader. Optical mark reader is an input device which can detect marks on a paper. It is used to evaluate OMR sheets of the examinations. Next, optical character reader. Optical character reader is an input device which is similar to OMR, but it cannot detect only the marks on a paper but also detect shapes and identify the characters. Next, magnetic ink character is a special type of input device which is used in banks by processing of check by the bankers to get information stored in MICR code. MICR code is a special type of response code which contain information about check and from which bank it belongs to. Next, barcode reader. Barcode reader is a input device which is used to read the barcode of different products and it also identify price with the help of barcode reader. Next, microphone. We know that microphone is a input device and short form of microphone is called mic, MIC, that enables to receive, recognize or record the sound or voice in computer. Next, digital camera. A digital camera is a input device that capture images, videos and it store into memory. Quality of pictures or videos are measured by measured in pixels. The quality of image and video is depend upon how camera have megapixel camera. Next is web camera. Web camera or webcam is a type of video camera that captures images or visuals in real time and store it into computer. The main difference between webcam and digital camera is webcam is used in real time or response it. And next here is an exercise for all of you. Next topic is discussed in next class. Thank you.